high school, where the beautiful blonde angel took in the mercy of a freaky goth girl. Not only did she rescue me from gym class and chorus, but her family graciously took me in every Easter for dyeing eggs, every Thanksgiving where they taught me to be thankful for a family who loves each other, and every Christmas where they gave the little Jewish girl her own little advent calendar.
Hand on my head, chest on my chest. Be my lover, yeah, be my best friend.
She sat in front of me, and when she would doze off, I would kick her chair so that she would wake up. So I guess you could say that I'm responsible for getting her through that class. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm so happy that she has found her soulmate in Glenn, and that we're here today celebrating them.
I will wait on your border until you will let me in. Hand on my head, chest on my chest.
Heather's not only one of my best friends, but she is a true sister, even though I have two of my own. She has the biggest heart of anyone I've known, not only adopting puppies, but adopting me along the way. I can't put into words how much I love and appreciate her for the huge heart she has. I'm happy that Heather was able to meet Glenn, a man with just as much heart and her perfect puzzle piece.
I will wait on your border until you will let me in. Hand on my head, chest on my chest.
Heather, Glenn loves the way that you have always believed in him, even when he didn't believe in himself. He loves the way you love him back. No matter how dark a place he's in, you are always there to pull him back out into the light. Most of all, he just loves you for being you.
To the sound of voices and of drums, I will show you how the West was won. We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down.
Glenn, Heather loves having you for her best friend. She can't wait to see you and talk to you whenever you are apart. She loves all the little ways you show your love for her, like cooking a comforting meal when she's had a bad day, trying to understand what she's going through, even when it's hard for her to express, and never saying no when she wants to adopt just one more or 5.
Today is mostly an ordinary day. The sun rose, well, it was out. Babies were born, people slept in, and it was opening day of hockey. And we just so happened to be getting married. The not so ordinary part is how we are making promises to each other for the rest of our days, no matter how ordinary or unusual they may be. So today, I promise you this. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I will share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement. Together, let us build a home filled with learning, laughter, and light, shared freely with all those who may live there. Let us be partners, friends, and lovers today and all of days that follow.
I will wait on your border until you will let me in. Hand on my head, chest on my chest.
From the beginning of our relationship, you have always told me fairy tales don't exist. But what you haven't realized this whole time is we've been writing our own fairy tale. While not our typical Disney fairy tale of living in a castle and singing creatures, although I wouldn't mind having some singing creatures to help with the cleaning, the relationship we have is the fairy tale I've always wanted. A best friend who I love and want to spend the rest of my life with. I, Heather, take you, Glenn, to be my best friend and my captain. I promise to love you even when you piss me off. I promise to make time for you, be your best friend, strength, remind you of happier times when times are tough. I promise to try to cook even though you're better at it and I burn water. I promise to consult you before I make decisions that involve measurements or before I adopt another dog, even though Goofy was the best decision. I promise to support you in all your hopes and dreams and remind you how proud your mom would be. I promise to continue to make you laugh and smile. I promise to love you together forever as we grow together. I promise to remember that neither one of us is perfect, but will strive to remind myself of the ways we are perfect for each other.
May your love always help you keep the promises you are about to make here today.
So the three of us would like to toast Heather and Glenn. We love you guys.
We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Heather, do you come here freely and without reservation to give yourself to Glenn in marriage?
I do.
Glenn, do you come here freely and without reservation to give yourself to Heather in marriage?
I do.
Sold my new car and bought a diamond ring. Bought a cheap car and got down on one knee. Picked up a guitar, I started rhyming. Gonna hit those charts when I get my time in. We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll wait for the sound. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa. Love letters and I play them for people. And we found a church and then we found a steeple. And these songs I've been writing are paying the bill. We started a family, you love me still.
Heather, I gave you this ring
As a token of my promise
as a token of my promise
and a sign of my love.
and a sign of my love.
Glenn, I gave you this ring
As a sign of my promise
as a sign of my promise
and a token of my love.
and a token of my love.
We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll say
I am pleased to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Glenn Lake Jr.
I'm on top of the world, hey! I'm on top of the world, hey! Living this life for a while now. Wow, we're like official now.
I know.
What the fuck?
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Let's party.
Woo! You want my donut?